Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox lag speaks. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox lag speaks, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about this window of Roblox. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find the Roblox here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.